right, phenomenal beauties, and welcome to Phenomenal Flawless. In this video, I am going to be presenting a unit by It's a Wig, and the style of this unit is called Q-Carla. I am going to be wearing her in a one. Here she is right here, ladies. This is she gorgeous. This is a bob style wig. It came in this traditional clear packaging, also with a hairnet. Nothing special. You guys know how we do it. We just buy it at the local beauty supply store, and this is how they come. I just showed you guys the one, and on the other side of this unit, in the inside, it just have your traditional netting, no comb, ladies, and it has the adjustable straps, so you can adjust her. So that means she is big head friendly. I do have a large head, so I'm very happy and excited about that. So also, ladies, I want to share with you guys real quick this unit that I'm wearing. If you want to know what it's called, and it's also a unit by It's a Wig. If you would like to know what she's called, check out my video down below this video. Thank you guys in advance. Now, ladies, I'm back, and as you can see, I've taken off my black wig cap. Nothing special, you guys. Then I'm putting her on. This is a very low maintenance, not much to do to her, no combing, no nothing. I'm just using my nails here to just position her in place, honey. She has given me more life, honey. This is a very cute bob. As you can see on the stock card, they do come in many different colors. This unit does. There are many different units by this It's a Wig in the style Q-Collar. She doesn't come with any type of parting. As you can see, I'm going to a seam is the one I'm doing a lot, but I'm not doing much of anything, honey, because this wig is already styled. If you can see to my left and your right, I have a what you call like a swoop bang. That's how this bob comes, and I'm just kind of just showing right here. I'm going to just do a lot of modeling, you guys. I'm not going to spend a lot of time because I want you guys to just watch me model her for you, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. But before I just let you guys just enjoy me modeling for you guys, wearing this cute collar by It's a Wig, this pretty bob, ladies, check her out. There she is again, ladies. This is a must-have. It is a all seasonal wig, and she is heat friendly. She is heat friendly up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But in my opinion, she doesn't need any curling, honey. And I'm going to just model right here for you guys. I'm going to moisture my lips because they're crusty. I don't want to put on lipstick with crusty lips. So I'm going to model a little bit in between before I add on my lipstick color that I'm going to be wearing. And also later on, you're going to see, ladies, that this unit is big and no, as well as small earring friendly. And I'm going to take mine off at some point in this video to show you that you can wear it with small earrings or no earrings at all. And ladies, I'm telling you, this is a must-have in the must-have of wigs in your uni, honey. I'm telling you, this wig, this bob is life. It's out. It's a hot season this year, 2019. It's a hot summer, so why not go ahead and just purchase you this her and put it in your collection, because she is what, gorgeous. She looks like I have a really nice relaxer fresh out of the salon. Look at that body in this. Look at that body is what, everything. And I'm going to try to shake her. She's not going to shake at the beginning because it's kind of short with my earrings on, but it's going to give some live shaking later on. So anyway, ladies, before I say I'll see you guys in the next video, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and become a part of my Phenomenal Beauties family. I hope you guys like this video, and be sure to share, honey. Don't forget to hit that share button. So here, I'm done. I've been styled her when I put her on and adjusted her. So right now, I'm just going to be modeling her at this point. You know, just modeling her, just showing how beautiful I admire her. Can't you tell? I can't stop modeling her, and I can't stop touching her. Let me explain this to you before I say see you later, ladies. It is very soft. Very soft. It looks like a fresh relaxer. Like you just stepped out of the salon, honey. Look like you just got your hair cut with a new hairdo, honey. Like you got that fresh cut. So if that's what you like, and you like the bob look, Here I'm going to show you a 360 view all the way around, and that's it. So if you would like to know where you can purchase this unit, I will leave a link down below where I know you can go and purchase her. Again, this is by It's a Wig, and it's called Q-Carla, and I am wearing her in one, and there are other styles of colors available as well. I hope you ladies have enjoyed this phenomenal, wonderful, magnificent video with your sister. So my phenomenal beauties, my sisters, I love you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later.
Time we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all?